Okra or okra is rich in iron, zinc, vitamin B, magnesium, and it has a natural relaxant. Hey yummies, on the menu today is oilless okra soup, which is Ghanaian Nigerian friendly. Very quick to make in 12 minutes. I'm Yummy Cash and you're welcome to this channel. I will start by washing the fishes I'll be using and set it aside. The smoked fishes were made in my kitchen and I have a video on it down in the description, so kindly check it out. And I'm using oven baked mackerel and oven baked catfish. The next thing I'll do is to start cutting my okra, and the okras are washed very well. So what I did is to divide the quantity I am using, that is the quantity of okra I'm using, into half. I chopped half of it into smaller sizes or smaller pieces and then cut the remaining half into three, put it in a blender and added onion to it and blend it. Now I did not blend the remaining half, I mean the ones that I blended, I did not blend it so smooth. I used the pulse button on the blender to pulse it for just 5 seconds. So when you're doing it and you want yours to be blended smoothly, sweetheart, go ahead and blend it smoothly. It will really make your okra soup come out very slimy. You understand? Whilst cutting the okras, let me take this opportunity to thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you so much also for the returning subscribers. I so much appreciate your love. Kindly hit the subscribe button if today is the first time on this channel. But then remember, this channel is a cooking channel. We do a whole lot of different countries' food. We do Ghanaian, Nigerian, German. In fact, it's an intercontinental channel. So if you are ever ready to learn intercontinental food, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And you know what? Every Mondays and Thursdays, we have different new recipes coming on. So you know what to do, right? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share it out, to your community, to your Facebook and WhatsApp. After blending and cutting the okra, put it aside and in a pot add in the fishes and the shrimps you'll be using. Using shrimps is totally optional. It is up to you. If you have at home, why not just add it to it? Now I'll add in the bones of the catfish. Yes, because when it's cooked, it's really soft and I love it. I'll add in some water and then add in all-purpose seasoning. Followed by some chopped onions and then powdered pepper for some hotness. Stir for a few seconds and leave it to steam. So I keep checking it to stir and I left it on fire for approximately 5 minutes on a medium heat. So after 5 minutes, I push it aside and in another pot, add little water to it to help it cook, and then I go ahead and add in some onions. I give it a good stir to mix with the water and then leave it on fire for approximately 5 minutes. But within this 5 minutes, I kept on checking it and stirring it. It's been 5 minutes and add it to the steamed fishes. See how beautiful it is. Now go ahead and stir it gently. So one tip I will give you is to make sure you steam the fishes with enough salt, because after adding the okra, sweetheart, you do not need to add in salt. Do you understand? Stir your okra soup very well to mix with the stock from the fishes. Now, taste for salt. Add in shrimp powder, give it a good stir. Now, from the time the okra was added to the fishes till the time it was taken from the fire was approximately 2 minutes. Now, 5 plus 5 plus 2. 12 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Always remember to do everything in love. And don't forget, whenever you think of food, think yummy cash.